Okay. So what did we learn yesterday? We learned something, no?
Possessive article.
Yeah, possessive article we learned. Yeah, this one. So if you want to say my, it is mine. If you want to say your, informal, then it is thine. If you want to say his, then it is thine. If you want to say her, it is ear. Ear and her, they are rhyming. No loiter. Her, ear. Okay, so like this you can remember. So her is ear, IHR. And loiter, you should not get confused with this ear and this ear. So I was telling you yesterday, with this ear, you will have the verb next to it. Yeah? Ear seid, ear habt, ear spielt, ear spielt Fußball. Ihr lernt Deutsch. You all are learning German. Learned. Okay? Ihr lernt Deutsch. So you will have a verb next to it. Then it is the subject. If you have a noun next to it with caps, then it is not a subject. Rather, it is the possessive article. So ihr is her. Unser is our. Euer is your. You all's. You all. Your everybody's. Sie und sie is ihr und ihr. Got it? Their and your formal. So what is this ear and ear, loiter? Small ear is their, capital ear is your formal. If you're talking to elders, then you want to say this is your cat. This is your nimmadu. Okay. Got it, loiter? Yeah, yesterday,
Yes.
one more thing I told you, then the E ending or no E ending depends on the noun next to it. If it is masculine or neutral, then there will be no E ending. If there is feminine or plural, then you will have the E ending to this. It will become mine, thine, seine, ihre, unsere. What about euer, Leute? Can you tell me the spelling? Can you all tell me the spelling?
Eure.
Very good. E-U-R-E, eure, not E-U-E-R-E, but just E-U-R-E. This is an exception. Rest all just go on adding with E. Yeah, Leute, and then we also did some exercises. We saw some uh, examples. Example is called as Beispiele. What is example called, Leute? I'll write here, yeah? Okay. Beispiele means examples. Now, what is Beispiele? Examples. What is one example? Just Beispiel. Okay, Beispiel means one example. Beispiele means examples. Got it? Okay. Then I think we did one of the possessive article. Let me check. Let me know. We did this, right?
Yes.
Completed.
Okay. You should let me know if you have done it. Okay. Yeah, we have not done this, I think.
No.
Have you done this? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do it today. Now.
Consistent.
Das ist mein Freund. This is my friend, Robert, and his Elton. Tell me, Loiter, which one you'll pick?
The third one.
Third
Here a
one.
hill.
Why
Here a hill.
era? Why era?
The fist mouse.
This is my friend Robert and his parents.
His parents.
His is what, Loiter? Sein.
Fine.
Sein, sein.
Then Elton is plural, that's why seine. See, most of the time you will get the possessive article correct when you translate from English. Translate to English. Das ist mein Freund Robert. This is my friend Robert and his parents. The moment I say his, immediately your brain should say his is sein.
Uh,
Okay? Seine Eltern. Okay, this one, Leute. See the picture. Das bin ich. This is me and my niece.
Mine needs anesthesia.
Meine nicht Anastasia.
Meine Nichte, not mine. Because Nichte is feminine, so you will have meine, no?
Niece.
See, they are confusing you by giving you mine and minor. You have to be clever enough to choose what is right. Nichte is female, niece. She is my niece, Anastasia. So, will you choose mine or minor?
Minor.
Minor.
Das sind meine Tochter Tatiana und her neighbors. See, these are my daughter Tatiana and her neighbors. There's only
Here
one
not
word
one.
for her here.
Here an Akbar. Here.
Yeah, Nakban means neighbors.
Here.
What is Nakban? Loiter. Neighbors. Got it? Das bist du. This is you and your friend.
Deine Freund.
Dein Freund
Alexander. Alexander is male, right?
Male. Okay. Dein Freund.
Of course, you will use dein form, of course, but you should see whether E will come or not. So, E will not come. This is wrong. And here it cannot be dein Freundin. It should be dein Freund. Correct? Das sind Julia und Ria. Julia and Ria. They both are, their names are written here. Das sind Julia und Ria. And their cat. The last there.
Ihre Katze.
Ihre Katze.
Ihre Katze.
Very good. Their cat. Ihre Katze. Okay, the next one. Das ist Ehor. This is Ehor and his dog.
Sign.
Of course, his is sein. Dog is there. They have given you here. So you cannot use seiner. So sein. Okay, Leute, listen carefully. Das bin ich. This is me and my Neffe Eldar. Leute, Neffe means nephew.
Male.
Niece and nephew, they are two different words. Nephew is a male, niece is a female. That's why they've given
Mine.
der. Can you see der? They've given der here.
Mine, nef.
Yeah, it is just mine. This is me and my nephew. Nephew means nephew.
Nephew.
Yeah, das ist Oleg and his car.
Ear auto.
His
Sign.
Sein Hot.
Sign auto.
auto is das Auto, so it will not have E. So sein.
Mine auto.
Here auto will become her auto. If this is male, it cannot be her. It should be his. Sein. All of you are understanding? Yuvan, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding, baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Das sind meine Tante Svetlana. These are my aunt Svetlana and her children or her family. Familia is die Familie.
That is Ihr Familie.
It is die Familie. When it is die Familie, you will have E.
Ihre.
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 Okay.
Ihre.
Not
Ihre
to
Familie.
understand why it is ihre. First, understand. Familia means die Familie. It's feminine. So you should have E ending, no? Out of all these three, only this has E ending, not ER. Das ist Elmira. This is Elmira and her laptop. Laptop is their laptop.
Ihre laptop.
Era or ear?
Ihre.
Why?
Her laptop.
Okay, the
Laptop
word,
is
see, Arul, her word is ear. சரியா? ஆனா ஈ வரணுமோ இல்லையோ அது எப்படி பார்க்குவோம்? லேப்டாப் பார்த்துட்டு தான் நாங்க கன்க்ளூட் பண்ணுவோம் ஈ வருமோ இல்லையோனா. It's not because this is a
Of
lady.
yeah, correct.
Got it? I think yesterday also I told you we are not the E coming at the end is not depending on the subject, whether the subject is male or female. It is not depending on that person. It is depending on the word laptop here. Laptop is their laptop. Loiter, their laptop, everything I'm telling you, still you're all keeping quiet.
Ihre Laptop. Ihre Laptop.
Why
Your
ear?
laptop.
Their laptop.
It is their. Their means masculine. I think Madhu.
Sign laptop.
ஐயோ ஜைன் எதுக்கு வந்துச்சு இப்போ? From here it became Zain. You made Elmira one boy now. Huh? Arul, you thought that ma'am is telling some year sonnalu ma'am is not accepting. Year sonnalu ma'am is not accepting. It will be Zain somehow. Huh?
I just in an illusion thought it is a male.
No, it is never Zain here because it is a girl here.
Her laptop
Elmira.
is your laptop.
Her laptop is ear. That's all, ear, not earer. What is this lot? I expected lot of things. What you people are keeping quiet? Okay, let me check one more. This is going to be little tougher, okay? Okay, Leute, tell me. Ich habe ein Haus. I have a house.
Mein Haus ist groß.
Mein house is groß. Appa, first one was easy, huh?
Ich wohne in einer.
Ich wohne in einer Wohnung. I live in an apartment. Wohnung is die Wohnung.
Dine.
Die Wohnung. When I say die Wohnung, it means that there will be e ending to the possessive article that I'll use. So in
Ist
this,
feminin.
I have only three.
Meine.
Minor.
Ah, that's it. Because it is we are talking about ish, so it'll be
Ish.
meine.
Okay.
So Leute, what is the meaning? Ich wohne in einer Wohnung. I live in an apartment or a flat.
My apartment.
Lies in the center. It is lying in the center of the city. So what is center of the city called?
Centrum.
Centrum. Okay. So Leute, meine. Leute, if you remember, I told you all the UNG ending words will have D article. Yes or no?
Yes.
All the UNG will have D. So you should be careful. Wohnung, it is D. That's why meine. Okay. Bist du Mia? Are you Mia? How is your family name? How is your family name? Family name is der Familienname. Der. So Leute, if it is der, you will not have E ending.
Ihre Familie. No.
I told you there will be no E ending because
Yeah.
Familienname is der, masculine. So only two are there, dein or sein.
Dein.
Yeah, why did you choose dein, Sandhya? Because it is du.
Because du.
Ah,
You all understood now. Loiter, you have to see the subject about whom are we talking. Are you Mia? What is your Familienname? What is your family name? Dein. I told you Familienname is der. I know you all are new to this daddy das thing, but all the hints I'm giving, in spite of that, you should, try your best to choose the correct answer. Dein. Leute, hast du eine E-Mail? Do you have an email? How is your email address? It is also related to do,
Diner.
and email address is D email addresses, so deine.
deine.
Leute, if you want to ask someone what is your email address, never ask with was. Was means what, right? What is was?
What?
What? WAS. Madhu.
Yes, ma'am.
WAS means what, okay?
What? Okay.
But when in English we ask what is your address? Huh? Was is deine email address and never ask with was. All the questions which has numbers like telephone number, email address can have number, house number can have will have a number, then postal code is a number. All the questions which has number in it will be asked with V.
We.
Oh, what happened? Hmm. It will be asked with V. Okay, Leute, understand. That's why it's asked here. V is Ihre email address. Wie ist Ihre E-Mail-Adresse? Okay. Wie ist Ihre E-Mail-Adresse? I told because I'm asking formal. Yeah. If I want to ask informal, it is deine. Wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse? Okay, Leute. Ich habe am Samstag Rikswagen gesehen. This is past tense. I have seen Rikswagen, some person, okay. I have seen Rikswagen on Saturday. Hast du auch. No. Rix is a name, Wagen is a vehicle, loiter. Okay. So, ich habe am Samstag Rix vehicle seen. I've seen Rick's vehicle on Saturday. Did you also see his vehicle? Wagen is der Wagen.
Yeah.
Did you also?
Seinen.
Then sein,
Sign.
Sein is right, and
sein,
seinen is more right. Why?
seinen is vehicle is comes for sein.
Yeah, correct. His comes for sein, or sein comes for
Last
his. Very
last
good.
ending is en, so it will be seinen.
Yeah, why ending is en? Because it is accusative. What is accusative, Loiter, now?
Accusative is
With the object.
Object.
subject.
Subject will be there, and then there'll be an object. That is accusative. So, Loiter, here tell me which is the subject in this sentence. You seeing the wagon, his wagon.
Wagen is object.
Wagen is object.
That's why it is der Wagen becomes to seinen. Now you got it, Leute. Accusative, forgot. So, Leute, you should know what is nominative and what is accusative. Till now, whatever exercise we did in the previous link, it was nominative. Can you see here what is written here? Possessive article, nominative and accusative. It is a mixture. It's a mixture of both nominative and accusative. You have to find out. And what did I say? In accusative, when there is an object in a sentence, and if the object is male, you have to break your head and convert it to den. Der changes to den, rest remains the same. Got it, Leute? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll go with the next question. Bernhard spielt jeden Tag mit Freunden Fußball. So Bernard is playing every day with friends football. His friends speak good Deutsch. Friends is plural.
Seine.
Very good. Sein is the word, but since friend is plural, I'll put seine. Seine Freunde sprechen. Sprechen means speak. Gut Deutsch. Linda hat ein süßes Haustier. That means Linda has a sweet pet. Haustier means house animal or pet animal. Süßes means cute or sweet. It's very sweet. I can't say it's not the sweet gulab jamun sweet, but it is cute. We say so sweet. No, that sweet is not for the taste, but for the appearance. Cute. So Linda has a cute house tier. House tier, the article of house tier is das. Das. Okay. Now tell me, how will you say her house tier is called Nico?
Sein.
Ear.
Very good. Only ear, IHR. Why is I here caps?
It is formal. No?
No, it is not formal because it is the starting of the sentence. That's why it is. Can you see full stop here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is the starting of the sentence. That's why it is I caps. Otherwise, if it was in between, then it would be small. This is anyway not formal you wala ear. It is her only because it is starting of the sentence. It is written in caps. Okay, Linda hat zwei neugierige Kinder. Linda has two curious children. Neugierige means curious. They're very curious. Her children learn Deutsch in the school. Her children.
Here.
Here.
Kinder is plural.
Here.
Error.
What is this, Loiter? Everything still, even after 2, 3 exercises, if I have to keep telling you this, then what is the point? Please observe. So you are observing two things when you're writing the possessive article. One is you're seeing the subject, about whom are we talking. And then the base is taken here. And then the E ending should be taken care by looking at the object next to it. So Kinder is plural, no? Then why ear? It is ear. Please look. I am not going to help you anymore. Only with articles, if you don't know, daddy does, I can tell you. But singular, plural, yeah, just look. Okay, wir haben seit einem Jahr einen Hund. We have since 1 year a dog. We have seit einem Jahr, since 1 year, einen Hund, a dog. Möchtest du dash Hund sehen? So, Lotte, it is for wir. What is the possessive article for wir?
Un,
Unser.
unser.
You're right, unser. Now, Leute, will you, möchtest du dash Hund sehen is there? No. What kind of sentence is this? Accusative, nominative?
Sehen.
Accusative, very good. So, accusative, Hund is the object. What is the article you will use for unser? Accusative, Hund is there. It will change to what? Leute, Hund is the object in the sentence. Would you like to see the dog? So you is the subject, Hund is the object. So accusative, in accusative, if the object is masculine, what will come here?
Dein.
No, I'm asking you, what is the ending? Den, right? Leute, der Hund will become den Hund, no, accusative.
Yes.
No, you all don't remember? You want me to revise that topic? Okay, what is accusative?
Two objects in one sentence.
So if I say, do you want to see my dog? What is the subject in this sentence?
Und.
Do you want to see my dog? Dog is the object. Subject is you.
Du.
You have to try to understand here. You is the subject and dog is the object. You want to see my dog. If the subject is dog, then the dog wants to see you. If I say the dog wants to see you, then the subject is dog. You is the object. Who is doing the action? The dog. But if I say you want to see the dog, then you are doing the action of seeing the dog. The dog is the object. So here the statement is möchtest du dash Hund sehen? Would you like to see the dog? So you is the subject, dog is the object. In accusative, if your Hund is der Hund, what will it change to?
Time.
No, I'm just telling if it is der Hund, what will it change to in accusative? Leave dein mind,
Den.
leave it.
Den.
Yes, den Hund. It will change to den Hund here. Now your subject or now leave subject, leave don't think about subject. See the context. We have a dog since 1 year. Would you like to see our dog? Yeah. So our is unser. Because it is accusative, you will have this en ending for unser. Unseren.
Okay.
We have a cat from our Oma bekommen. Bekommen is received. We have received a cat from our grandma. Hmm. Our cat is called Mitz.
Unsere.
Unsere. Because we are saying we have received a cat from our Oma and our cat is called Mitz. Cat is die Katze, that's why unsere Katze. Okay, wo wohnt ihr eigentlich? Where do you all live actually? Eigentlich, actually. Leute, write down this word, it is important. Eigentlich. Eigentlich means actually. So where do you all live actually? Is your Wohnung groß oder klein? Now you have to ask your. So your you want to ask, you're not asking one person, you're asking ear. So what is the word for ear?
Deiner.
Dein. Why
Your.
dein? Dein is for du.
Deiner.
No, if your subject is du, then you use dein. Is your subject du there?
Eure.
Look the table for ear. What is written?
Yeah.
It's written euer, no?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Euer. And this is die Wohnung. So eure. Ist eure Wohnung groß? You're asking a group of people. Is your. Yeah, suppose imagine there are 3 people in front of you and then you're telling, okay, where do you all live? You're not asking one person, you're asking all the 3 person. Where do you all live actually? So, and you will say, okay, is your apartment your? Now, which your is this? It is not one person, it is to plural. You're asking. All the 3 people you're asking. Is your apartment big or small? Then the word for ear, possessive article for ear is euer, but Wohnung is die Wohnung because it is ending with ung. Die Wohnung. So the possessive article you have to change it to eure. Understood, Leute?
Yes, ma'am.
Ihr habt ein Haustier. You all have a pet animal. Wie heißt dash pet animal? What is your pet animal named? What is the name of your pet animal? Again, here your is for ear. Just tell me the base form. Euer, no, Leute. For ear,
Euer.
it is euer. For year, it is Euer, right? You all have a pet animal. What is the name of your pet animal? Pet animal Haustier is das Haustier. That's why no E. Entschuldigung, Frau Schneider. Excuse me, Miss Schneider. Können Sie mir bitte your pen leihen? Leihen is to lend. Could you please lend me your pen? Stift means pen. Yeah, this is directly speaking to Frau Schneider. So, ear, eye caps. And stift is der Stift, which is becoming accusative here. You lending your pen. So, pen is the object in the sentence, right? Yeah, here see, Z is the subject. Stift is the object. So, en ending will come because it is der Stift. And because it is Z, eye caps. So, this one, year end, not this year end.
Your.
This year end. Yeah, because it is formal. You. Guten Morgen, Herr Funk. You're talking directly to Herr Funk. Are these your children? Again, your is capital IHR because you're talking directly to Mr. Funk. With respect. So, with respect, when you're talking, it is capital IHR. But since kinder is plural, I will put IHRE. Year with caps. Okay, Lotta, I'll send you this link. Try doing this link now in the class. I did it. I explained you all. You try this link in the class now and send me the results. Okay, sent. Quickly do it and send me the results in the group and then we'll do further. ये क्या ऐसे सो रहा है? सो जाओ. So brush your face wash करो. अंदर आने से पहले करनी था. ऐसे चलाओ. If you keep AC at 20, 18 take off. 16 take off. Not turn on channel. If you keep AC at 24, which control less air. Then 24 पे रख के सोते हैं. नीबू, ये गिटार उठाओ. उठो. उठाओ. बुक तो रख दी हो देखो सामने मेरे.